We are meeting in another session of issue of debentures. So in the last video, we had discussed how do we pass entries when issue of debenture is done to the underwriters for underwriting commission. Now let us solve one question to have a better understanding of this entire concept. So we are seeing question number 7 from here. It says Max Limited issued 5,008% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium, means issue price is 110. And if I want to calculate what is the value of issue, means how much company has got at by issuing the debentures at rupees 110. So we have got actually 5.5 lakh 50 lakh rupees. Okay. Basu had underwritten the subscription at a commission of 5%. So underwriting commission is going to be issue price multiplied by commission percentage. So 5.5 lakh into 5%. So commission of Basu is 27,500. What is it? This is underwriting commission. Okay. Underwriting commission. This is your underwriting commission. X Limited, uh, payable by 8% debentures at a premium of 10%. So here we'll have to calculate the number of debentures as well. That how many debentures are we going to issue to Basu, and we are issuing debentures to him at premium. So let us do the calculations first, and then we will pass the entries. So I'm starting question with working notes. You can leave some space. First note down this working note and then start doing journal entry. So journal entries should be first and then working note. So you can leave some half page for journal entries and then start doing working notes. So working notes are first working note is calculation of underwriting commission. So we will do number of debentures multiplied by issue price into percentage of commission. We had 5,000 debentures at rupees 110 each into 5%. So rupees 27,500 was our underwriting commission. This is our first working note where we have calculated what is the amount of underwriting commission. Now working note number 2, calculation of number of debentures to be issued to Basu, who is our underwriter. I am writing in bracket underwriter. So that is underwriting commission divided by issue price. So 27,500 is our underwriting commission, and he is being issued debentures at premium of 10%. Okay, so it's going to be 110 rupees. 27,000 divided by 110. 250 is number of debentures. You can play this video one more time if you are not understanding somewhere. I am speaking very slow so that you can grasp it properly. But still, if you have problem, you can play it multiple times. That is the reason I'm making all short videos so that you can go and revise which particular topic you want to revise and see the question only related to that, because while revising you need to go to that particular section where you have problem. Okay, let's fine. Let's start doing the question. Journal entry part. I'm not making the format for journal entry this time, but you make sure that you make format. First journal entry is um, underwriting commission account debit to Basu's account. 27,500, and how did it come? From working note 1. We'll write being underwriting commission due. Second entry will be the payment entry. So Basu's account debit to, these were 8% debentures, 8% debenture account to securities premium reserve. Here it is going to be 27,500, his commission amount. Here 250, which is number of debenture, multiplied by 100. So this is going to be 25,000. And here it is going to be 250 multiplied by 10. He is being issued debentures at 10% discount. So 2,500. I hope things are clear till here. Now the next entry is writing of underwriting commission. So we will, since the question does not give us any information about the availability of securities premium reserve, so we will write it off from statement of profit and loss. So statement of profit and loss debit to underwriting commission, which is 27,500, being underwriting commission written off. Second entry, I forgot to write the narration. So a narration for the second entry is going to be underwriting commission paid by issue of debentures, issue of 8% debenture at premium. This is going to be your narration. So now we have ended this topic of issue of debenture for consideration other than cash. I hope you have understood it properly. And this same topic is in the chapter of issue of shares also. So if you have understood it properly, you will not have any problem in doing issue of shares for consideration other than cash also. And this is one of the important topics which usually comes for short questions, or it can be part of one big question also. So do it properly. Bye.